Mazda has once again stirred the pickup segment in Australia by introducing an updated version of its BT-50. This time, the spotlight is on the powertrain, with a stronger, more efficient engine that delivers improved performance and greater towing ability. Mazda has replaced the old 1.9-liter unit with a new 2.2-liter four-cylinder turbodiesel, a move that makes the BT-50 more competitive while offering customers a better balance of power and economy. This engine isn't entirely new. It was first introduced in Thailand under the Isuzu D-Max and MUX SUV, which share the same underpinnings as the BT-50. Now, its arrival in Australia marks a significant step forward for buyers who want a workhorse with more muscle. Performance-wise, the numbers are stronger across the board. The 2.2-liter diesel produces 161 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque. That's a bump of 13 horsepower and 50 newton-meters compared to the outgoing 1.9-liter engine. It's paired with a new 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to either the rear wheels or all four wheels depending on the trim. According to Mazda, this combination improves fuel efficiency by up to 0.7 liters per 100 kilometers and reduces CO2 emissions by as much as 17 grams per kilometer. For those seeking even more grunt, the flagship 3.0-liter turbodiesel remains available. This bigger engine delivers 187 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque, and now comes with an idle stop system that improves efficiency by cutting fuel consumption anywhere between 0.2 to 0.9 liters per 100 kilometers. Regardless of which engine you choose, every BT-50 variant now boasts a 3,500 kilogram towing capacity, meeting the standard benchmark for the mid-size pickup segment. In Australia, the 2.2-liter engine is exclusive to the entry-level XS trim, but customers can still choose from different body styles: single-cab chassis, dual-cab chassis, or dual-cab pickup. The chassis models come with 17-inch steel wheels, while the pickup swaps them for alloys. Standard equipment for the XS includes LED headlights, an 8-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a rear-view camera, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Not bad for a work-focused trim, even though it doesn't match the luxury of the BT-50 SP flagship. Releases of the refreshed BT-50 range will begin in October. Pricing-wise, the 2.2-liter models cost $1,500 more than the old 1.9-liter versions, but remain $2,500 cheaper than the equivalent 3.0-liter trims. Interestingly, Isuzu has also added the same 2.2-liter engine to its D-Max and MUX models in Australia, priced roughly $2,000 less than the 3.0 options. The Isuzu D-Max slightly undercuts its Mazda twin and is available in higher trims like the X-Rider. Overall, the addition of the 2.2-liter engine makes the Mazda BT-50 lineup stronger, more versatile, and better positioned in Australia's competitive pickup market. It strikes a balance between affordability and performance, ensuring that even the entry-level buyers get a capable and reliable workhorse.